Okay, fam, so first of all, as you can see, I got it through Amazon, and I'm a Prime member, so yeah, so I got it through Amazon, and yeah, so it come in a box like this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna go ahead and get, I already know that it has plastic and stuff on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the plastic and take out all the all the bubble wrap and stuff like that, to pretty much speed up some time and show you what it looks like. So yeah, so let's get into that. Okay, fam, so this is what it looks like. It is a LED small ring light. It's about the size of a baseball, or yeah, about as big around as a baseball. And this is the phone holder that come with it, and I may have to take this off and show you how to put this on because I had some complications with it. So let me go ahead and do that now. So upon taking it out the box, this is what the phone holder is going to look like. This is what the end of the thing that fits the phone. Now what I thought was you put this on there like that and you press down on that ball, but you do not do that. What you want to do is you want to take this out of the box and you want to unscrew this thing off of the back of it. And then you should have something that looks like that and a little circle piece. What you do is you put the little circle piece down on this. Then you take the top, and then, I'm sorry I'm doing this one-handed, but yeah. So you take the top, and then you snap down on it, bring this back up, whoops, bring that back up, and, whoops, I'm trying to show y'all this without, I'm doing it all one-handed by myself, and it's kind of hard, so yeah. So what you do is you basically just put that on there, pop that on there, and screw this back on. Okay, now that I have it screwed back on, I'm sorry I couldn't show you. This thing is basically on that ball thing right there. So you can pretty much tilt it for your phone to go up and down, or you could tilt it the opposite way for your phone to go sideways. And it has a long bar, a flexible bar, and on this side this bar is pretty long too. I just haven't straightened them out yet. Let me straighten them out and show you. So this is the bar straightened out, probably not to its full straighten, because you could still see the curves in it, but that's about how much longer the light is from the phone stand. So when you come down here to the end, you have a big, huge, heavy-duty clip to clip it onto tables or anything you want to clip it on. And I thought that was just awesome. I mean, this clip is really sturdy and heavy-duty. Okay, when you come to the cord of it, it is a USB cord, but here's the thing. If you have a charging block to an old cell phone or any kind of old charging block, that will work. You just, whoops, you just plug it up into that and stick it to the wall. I'll stick it in the wall, and there you go. You've got your regular plug-in. Okay, so when it comes to the controller, this is your on button and your off button right here. This is your to decrease the light. This is to turn up the light. And this button in the middle is to change the light. Now I'm fixing to show you me changing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you me changing the light so that you can see the LED light yourself. And then I'm going to show you the light shining on me so that you'll be able to see the true color of this light. Okay, so now that I have the light plugged in and ready to be shown this part, this is on the lowest setting, and I know you can't tell right now because I have light in the room. I just wanted to show you that this is a white, this is considered the white light. Now it has 3 different settings to where you can change the color. You can change from the pure white light to the warm light and to like a bluish tint light. I'm going to go ahead and show you now the difference. So that is your tint light. I don't know if you can tell. That's your blue light. Tint, white, blue. Now I'm going to show you how it looks on somebody's face. And I'm sorry for all the weird movements of the camera, but yeah, I'm pretty much holding my camera. Okay, hi fam. So I know this may be random and weird because of me not having it clipped on anything and me holding it, and it might be a little shaky, but I'm going to show you the true color of this light. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this light off. Okay, so it's off. Now this is the average room color that I've got right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click off all the lights in this room, except for a small table lamp in the back, so that you will be able to get a better view of just the light itself. So okay, there's the big light off, and as you can tell, the only thing I have in the back is a really small table light. So okay, let's see, let's go ahead and turn this back on. So that is the lowest setting right there. That's the lowest setting. Okay, now we're gonna go up, and I think this is the true light, like as if you were sitting in front of a window during the daytime. So let's increase it. Okay, so that's increasing it by 1. Okay, let's increase it some more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It goes up 9 notches. Now that is full out, full blown, really bright light. I mean, it pretty much has me looking like a ghost. So that's the first one. Now we're gonna go all, whoops, did I turn it off? Sorry about that. We're gonna go all the way back down on the first one. So here is the first one. Now we're gonna switch the color of it. Now this is almost like a sunset light, as if you was sitting near a window and the sun was going down or whatever. This is your warm light. So let's increase. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it stops at 9. So that is how bright this is. This thing is so worth the money. $28, you know, for beginners, this is brilliant. Okay, so let's decrease the light. The light's all the way down. We're going to switch it to the blue looking light. So now it is switched to the blue looking light. We're going to increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy smokes. So anyways, fam, that's what I'm saying. You know, if you're a beginner, whoops, if you're a beginner YouTuber, this would be brilliant for makeup tutorials. It would be brilliant for you know, anything that you want to do, unboxing videos. I don't know if you've ever watched the people that do the art videos where they do the art and, you know, they have their camera pointed down at the paper and have the light above it. This would be brilliant for that. So I really wanted to do a review on this product just to show you exactly how true and how good the light was. And I really hope that you enjoy this review on this light. You can get this light at Amazon. I'll post the links in the description box. And yeah, so I had to tell somebody about this light because there's a lot of people spending a lot of money on that Diva light and on you know, the newer light and all that. But if you're a beginner YouTube, this will be brilliant for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.